Yeah, Mike Stanley. I'm in Aliso Viejo, California. We've had a pretty tremendous year building a Halloween display that caught the eyes of the world, I guess, with our Disney theme, which was Haunted Mansion this year. We also include the neighbors' houses. We get a different scene from Haunted Mansion ride in each lawn for them. Yeah, we're excited that we got so much attention because it also drives it to our charity, which is for the Marines at Camp Pendleton. This year, we were able to attain some screens from Elite Screens, which enabled us to do some killer rear projections. We love to use projections in our displays. Elite was kind enough to send us some, and that took our projections, our display pieces to another level. Just the realism, crispness of it, it just looks so good. Each year we're always trying to go the next level with technology, and Elite made that happen. So we're very thankful for them. With Elite Screens, the difference is that it gives it a superior crispness where the image isn't blurred. Super easy to work with. Durable, I was able to put it up quickly. We had some harsh weather, it survived the outdoor weather. Way better than a lot of the stuff we've used in the past, so definitely recommend them. It's a superior product.
Elite Screens. Get the big picture.